Hello everyone. In continuation with the Thinking Machine series, I would like to introduce another point of view for building thinking machines. You should look at my earlier video series to get better context and continuity, which will help you get into learning groove. As we push the boundaries of artificial general intelligence, we face a critical bottleneck, the monolith. Current models like GPT-5, Gemini 3 are single, giant neural networks that try to do everything, math, poetry, coding, within one set of weights. Today, we present an alternative architecture based on Marvin Minsky's Society of Mind. We propose that AGI will not be one giant smart program, but a managed ecosystem of thousands of specialized, mindless processes. Why abandon the current approach? Because monoliths are fragile. If you teach a giant model to be a better doctor, it often forgets how to be a programmer. This is catastrophic forgetting. Furthermore, when a monolith hallucinates, we can't debug it because the error is hidden in billions of parameters. A society architecture solves this by modularity. If the math agent fails, you fix the math agent. You don't retrain the entire brain. Let's define our terms. In Minsky's view, an agent is simple, so simple it is technically mindless. It might just detect the color red. Intelligence emerges when we group these into agencies. The vision agency comprises agents for color, edge detection, and motion. They communicate not by direct wires, but by posting their findings to a central blackboard, a shared workspace where the whole society can see the current state of the world. This is the most radical shift. In standard AI, memory is looking up a file. In a society of mind, memory is reenactment. Minsky called this a line. When you solve a hard problem, you don't save the answer. You save the list of agents that were active. Years later, when you face a similar problem, the K-line triggers those specific agents to wake up. It restores your state of mind. This allows the AGI to have different personalities or modes for math, poetry, or logic. What drives this machine? It's not a prompt, it's a difference engine. This is a control loop that constantly compares what I have with what I want. If I want to be at the door, but I am at the desk, the difference is distance. The system automatically activates any agent method attacked as distance reducer, example the walking agent. If that fails, it subdivides the problem. This creates a chain of purposeful behavior without a central soul directing it. Standard LLMs get stuck in loops because they lack self-awareness. Minsky proposed a layered architecture. The A-brain does the work. The B-brain watches the A-brain. It doesn't know math or poetry. It only knows mental health. If it sees the A-brain spinning in circles, the B-brain steps in and forces a phase shift, shutting down the active agents and calling in a fresh team. This is the structural implementation of getting bored or trying a new angle. The architecture organizes agents into functional layers, enabling incremental cognitive sophistication. Lower levels handle automatic competencies. Higher levels perform deliberation, planning, and self-modeling. This is not science fiction. We can build this today. Minsky's agents are modern microservices or small, fine-tuned LLMs. The blackboard is a Redis state store. The K-lines are vector embeddings that map problem descriptions to agent configurations. By using frameworks like LangGraph or Autogen, we can orchestrate these swarms to behave exactly as a society of mind predicts: robust, modular, and self-correcting. The path to AGI may not lie in making one model larger, but in making many small models work together. The Society of Mind offers a blueprint for a system that is transparent, safe, and infinitely extensible. By embracing the diversity of agents, we can build a mind that is truly greater than the sum of its parts. I am now happy to take any questions in comments. I will further share the more insights and details about how to build thinking machines and underlying principles in my coming video series. Please subscribe my channel and like the video so that I can bring interesting insights and updates on thinking machines.